In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change time to 12-hour in TradingView. If you prefer seeing times with AM and PM instead of military time, this quick adjustment will make your chart easier to read at a glance. We'll walk through it clearly and make sure the change shows up exactly where you expect it, along the time scale at the bottom of your chart. First, open your chart in TradingView. Any symbol and time frame will work. The setting affects how the time is displayed across the entire chart, not just a single interval. Give the chart a moment to load so the menus respond smoothly. Next, open the chart settings. You can do this in two simple ways. Either right-click anywhere on the empty background of the chart and choose Settings from the menu that appears. Or click the small gear icon located in the top right area of the chart window. Both options take you to the same settings panel, so use whichever feels most convenient. Once the settings window is open, look to the left-hand menu and navigate to the Scales and Lines section. Depending on your interface, it may be labeled Scales, but it's the tab that controls what appears along your axes and how it's formatted. This is where TradingView keeps the options that influence the time labels you see along the bottom of the chart. Now locate the Time Hours Format dropdown. It's the control that determines whether times display in 24-hour format or in 12-hour format with AM and PM. Click the drop-down and change it from 24 hours to 12 hours. Sometimes listed as 12-hour. As soon as you make this selection, you are telling TradingView to convert the time scale labels into a friendlier AM/PM style that many traders find easier to parse during fast market moves. To lock in the change, click OK or Apply. The time scale at the bottom of the chart should update immediately. You'll now see times labeled with AM and PM, which can make it quicker to spot sessions, morning breakouts, or evening events without mentally converting from military time. A few quick notes to keep in mind. This change adjusts only the display format of time. It doesn't alter your chart's time zone or your data. If you ever want to switch back, return to the same time hours format setting and choose 24 hours again. The preference typically saves with your chart layout, so it should stay in place the next time you open this chart. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.